Yes, so waiting they happen. My name's Siri Melna, Diana, and Adea with MC Dab.
My name na MC Dab, the Odogo one of Nigeria, the Ukutopata of Africa. You know the Matabi. Now only me they do every. Some people even they say me they call me Olofofo of Africa, making a novel because for this Nigeria, for Africa, now everything you must do to actually succeed. That's why you see Baba where they take granite because he need more money. I bet you can enter the show as it be.
Okay, they say trouble in the palace.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't hear. So which palace where trouble there inside? Now they are laughing up for your state. So you're laughing. Don't tire. The man just say no. You don't tire. DNA. Straight up. You're not there for Jujuti. No.
Juju know they identify DNA.
No, Juju they identify DNA.
That's
so the matter when come day ground will be say now you know say one certain time okay fine make I just give na how the matter dey go.
Yes, make them know.
You know say one of the queen if I come and they say they apologize Queen Dami they apologize say no make Alafi take am back but Alafi did not even take her back. Then when he go what I call am palace they not let him go inside. So okay so some of the Oloris them the queen they can't say they can't go vacation for UK. So one of the queen Queen Omo now they can't go for as he go UK they can't go cash am with man. You understand? It is a the distance. You know say there's nothing distance between husband and wife. Make I go UK go Roskilde. They call her Roskilde. Make I go shine my kpaku swear. So now say go shine kpaku swear for UK. Now so be say news can't reach your laughing. Now laugh is scatter table. Say what is this in my my eye no. Say now in the my DNA. And anything wey be say if they catch any queen wey be say the pikin not be all laughing on na gbege abeg you shook mouth for this
as the matter be as my wonderful lady sexy lady don talk am you know as the matter dey be well the real thing wey be say why Alafi can't even speculate speculate he may even put another English speculated it because a man of that caliber of that age well wetin you expect you see that when I see this wonderful queen Omo beautiful even when I see am at the trip but Alafi na joke a day I just dey I talk my own as the matter dey be well Alafi don talk that's why I don't dey apologize too because na joke so you know king must vex. Okay. And these people, they don't know say this, they call them a global world. We say this word too small, it be like a small tente. We say if you dey for your bedroom, if you not dey careful, my sister, they go catch you for where they back. Okay. You understand? So now this is my queen country say make cookie arrange things.
Make it go Roskilde for UK.
As she talk up, well Roskilde, you know the dictionary, we could continue the matter. But Alafi don't talk say now the commander, everybody line up. DNA
straight up
because he don't talk he say the culture and the if and something no fit give them the real DNA particulars make they no fit identify he say make everybody nothing na one thing they start one thing you know how the matter be and as Queen Omo don't start open way now other Oloris who be queen they go dey fear now.
That's all.
You know why? Because some of them where they don't go do jump with some other people where they go carry the belle give Alafi, they go dey fear now because they go talk say how Queen Omo open the way to that. And I think say at the end of the day, well, the truth will prevail.
The truth will prevail. Moreover, I want to talk about these old men then. Because I saw you see, we just talk one finish just now. When we say, I don't understand. When they carry this Osha they say that they now they want be make Osha be their wife. At the end of the day, they not go feel satisfied Osha Then they want Osha to close their tie for them. You know say and marriage, you know say marriage. What be marriage? Marriage are that thing, Anna. And until they shake my cruise and everything, when they don't born pikin finish, now to the shake my cruise that they be married. I be not be like.
Well, as you don't talk about I don't understand. I don't understand. Well, I don't understand what you talk, but the truth it need to be told. As this my wonderful lady don't talk, Moko Dukam as the very with critical eye. You know, say when a whole man of 61 years old carry babe of 30 something, no say death sentence is at the way. Now when the man normally na babe, small babe or that, he need like a man want talk something, making another vessel, he need like a like 2 or 3 bell to be rang. But now when the man call ring bell one, I thought say alpha, the man don't sleep, you know say there's a mountain to be climbed, there's a wahala coming.
And this wife matter, not be 1, not be 2, not be 3, not be 4, not be 5, not be 6, not be. So you get them plenty. So how you take a cope? I don't know whether we feel as a laughing. How are you coping?
You know, say when I read my only book called Bible, I read the one man called King Solomon, and they thought say he get 300 wives, 700 concubines. Oh my God! I said that man, the power where he get, I won't get him. Say that man feel. Okay. Oh my God!
I reach them.
I make her talk the truth as the matter be. She don't have to say how you dey run the bank because for Yoruba land, I come from Yoruba.
Okay.
And I don't watch some Yoruba movie. Say men like that, we get like many wives. This one go say 1 week na your own or today na my own. Yeah. The one wey come do juju pass, he go get like overdue sleeping like 3 or 4 days. So the other women go dey wait for the okay we could go as the matter be. I don't want to talk too much.
So this matter now this is why a lot of you don't vex now. Say make what you call am, make all of them
go do
DNA. I don't know whether a lot of you go fit take that shock. Because you know say that DNA they reveal so many things. You get me? So I don't know whether I love it they pass boundary. Yes, we know say he want. I don't know whether he's strong enough, whether he heart strong enough to collect anything, any shock.
You know,
because DNA na one thing. You know say DNA don't buy people. You understand? Because I want to know whether Olafi get that power
to receive
any news, whether positive or negative.
The truth be say the heart is not dead there. If the heart dead there, when they catch this lady, this a Queen Omo, say if they do kurukere, if we don't get the heart, collect them, make you no talk. You know the matter be, make it collect the heart. But now we say, you don't hear that people don't they talk say this or this or this one. This DNA way they look for, I beg, I no one talk say Alafin go die now, but I'm very sure say Alafin go sick after the DNA test. Okay. Because the matter be say, a lot of mountain will fall after the prayer. I tell you, not be joke, because this one say Alafin is over 60.
Yes, now.
He's over 60. And if na me, somebody like me, I would just say I make a use with a pot here. You know, as the matter be, if a woman do, I make where I go as I go, you know, say lukutaka, you know, oh my God. But now we say Allah, we say you know the grey hair wait there for you. Allah here, it pass grey hair, not grey hair. Now, so if DNA come out, can't be especially somebody where can love. You know, say these men they get favorite.
They get favorite.
Now, if na the favorite queen can't get like 3 or 4. I know I mentioned some public people who say they don't scatter their marriage. But I bet anything will come out, please we pray for you from this yonder. Well, me I don't talk now about this matter.
Hey Baba, I know see you go see watch this our program, and when they say I don't know, me I go say Baba, I don't know, I don't know if you say you want sack that queen, driver, but make you forget about DNA. Because
me say the only advice me I get for Allah, me say he not supposed to even go to this length because everybody don't hear about them because Allah is a public figure. You know, as the matter be now, and everybody want to him because when this issue happen, we go meet Allah and say Alpha say she not true you see, and because they see evidence with pictures, say they see Queen Omo with all guys. He said, no. And this one, before things will fall apart, I must turn like the Moses to actually know where we are going as the promised land. Now the matter be there. I don't talk on my own.
Okay, I love you. Don't hear from us. Okay, we're not to get time. We're gonna bring the matter. They come on aside. Make una they hear. So we go come tell you how many picking be a laughing and how many picking not be a laughing at the end of the day. Okay, like say bye.